Hello there, my name is Steve Martin and I'm the Faculty Director of the Behavioural Science in Business Executive Education Programme here at Columbia Business School. And I'm delighted to be able to let you know that we have recently transformed this highly acclaimed and popular business programme to a fully virtual format, allowing business leaders and managers to learn about the power of behavioural science and its meaningful application to business from anywhere in the world. Whether you need to improve employee engagement, encourage changes in behaviour of co-workers and clients, win more business, or simply generate improved commercial outcomes, the Behavioural Science in Business programme will help you achieve those goals by applying cutting-edge insights from the fields of psychology, behavioural economics, and neuroscience. During the programme, you'll learn about scientifically validated, time-tested techniques and frameworks that you can use in your business. And each of the interactive virtual sessions that make up the programme include hands-on exercises, allowing you to immediately put into practice the usable and implementable ideas that you will learn. And as you would expect from a world-leading institution like Columbia, we'll also take a look at what some of the latest research says about how to accomplish some of these important goals in the current virtual environment that so many of us are working in.